Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Alex and today we're going to be unboxing some Pokemon cards. I picked these up over the weekend and I'm super excited to share them with you. I am a completely new person at Pokemon. Granted, I did have my fair share of Pokemon back in the late 90s when it was all the rage. But I haven't done any Pokemon since late 1999 and I'm just now getting back into it. This weekend I went shopping and I bought a bunch of cards and I want to share them with you. I've been sharing videos and teasing this video on TikTok, so why don't you come with me and we'll jump into the unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this Alakazam V-Box, and so this is our first video that we're going to be unboxing Pokemon cards. I went and bought a whole bunch and I plan on buying more. I'm just an average consumer of Pokemon, so I'm not this crazy, super hype Logan Paul type of guy. I have a regular budget just like probably many of you do, and so I don't have millions and millions of dollars to spend. So let's open up this box. This box was about $25. I think it was 25. And so yeah, so I'm super excited to get this open and share this experience with you. Alright, so let's get started with this. I'm just gonna rip this open here. Okay, and there it is. We got 4 booster packs on this one, a giant card, and then a hollow, what appears to be a hollow, Alakazam. Let's take off this plastic. Ooh. Okay, so you can see that the card is in here. We're gonna close. So let's gently pull this out of here. Take a better look at what we got. Alright, so we got an Alakazam, and I'll show it over here. There it is. Alright, so let's sleeve this up. Alright, first card, sleeved away. Put that to the side. And don't need this. Now this is super interesting to me. This right here is, I've never seen these before. I've been in Pokemon since the originals came out here in the US. So this is kind of interesting that they're doing this. Not sure what I'm going to be doing with these, but I definitely want to collect these as well. And we'll see what we do with them. But yeah, super interesting cards here. And we got 4 packets. We got a Vivid Voltage, Sun Moon, another Vivid Voltage, and Sword Shield. So yeah, first we're gonna open up the Sun Moon. I haven't opened up a Pokemon card in a very long time. Hoping that this is a good one. Alright. Oh man. Alright, I'll be saving that. Okay, so the pros go, save those to the side. 1, 2, 3, and then bring it to the front. I don't know what that does, but right out of the bat, we got a Torracat, a Potion, a Trumbeak, a Sandygast, a Roggenrola, Cosmog, Fomantis, Grimer, okay, Shiny Trainer How, a Hirayama, and an energy card. So I don't know if I did that right, but this guy was here. So this is the pool. Nice and shiny. Okay, let's get this one sleeved up, and then we'll proceed. Alright, up next we got the Vivid Voltage. Let's open this one up. Again, I'm not really sure what to expect here. This is my first time opening up Pokemon cards. I haven't done this in years. Last time I did this had to be at least like 1998, 1999. So let's grab, it didn't look like me doing that effort. Put that on the back. This one. So we got an Excadrill, Excadrill, Magcargo, Anissa Trainer, a Pipipeck, a Choodle, Riolu, Shimako, Nincada, and a reverse hollow Hitmontop. This one's pretty cool. Look at that art. Then we have a Crocodile and an energy card. Alright, so let's get this one sleeved up. And we got two more. I'm gonna leave these off for another video because I am not 100% sure that I'm convinced that I'm doing this right. So I'm gonna just save these off for later, but rest assured we will be opening them up. I'm just kind of trying out different styles, and I just want to make sure that I'm making something that's fun and entertaining and engaging for you all. Well, that's it. I just finished unboxing these booster packs, and I'm super excited with what I got. I know they're not much, and they're probably not worth anything, but I'm really happy to get back into collecting Pokemon. I used to collect them a long time ago, and it's really sad that I can't find any of my cards. But I do plan on getting back into them. I'm also going to be playing the red version, the original red version, and the original blue version. And I'm going to be trying to collect all 151 Pokemon from the original Kanto region. So if that's something you are interested in, make sure you like and follow this channel. I am starting to grow it completely from scratch, and I am super excited to share everything that I'm going to be learning on in this journey with you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.